Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, here we're going to show you or discuss with you how to fix Keurig Frother not working. So if you're interested, let's get started. So if you're having problems with your Keurig Frother here, there are going to be a few things that you can do. So that includes ensuring that it's properly assembled. So in this case, just make sure your frother is securely placed on its base, and also ensure the whisk or disc is properly attached inside the frother. So in this case, this is what it usually looks like. Now, a misplaced or missing whisk can prevent frothing here, so just make sure it's actually inside. Now, another thing that you need to take in mind here is you need to use the right type of milk. Now, the best option usually for this one is a 2% or whole milk for optimal frothing here, and for plant-based milk, you could use almond, soy, or oat. They may froth less due to lower protein and fat content. So in this case, it's best to use like whole milk or 2% milk here for optimal frothing. Now, another thing that you need to do is whenever you're using milk here is avoid overfilling them. Now, usually inside you have this max lines that you can see here. Just make sure you don't go past that. And yeah, so also slightly underfill. In this case, below the max level can improve performance of as froth expands during this use. And yeah, another thing you need to do here is whenever you use it, you basically clean it thoroughly. Now you want to rinse the frother and whisk with warm water. In this case, remove any residue. So soak in warm soapy water and scrub gently to remove stubborn buildup. And basically, before using it, just make sure every part is dried up. So dry all parts completely before reassembly again. And also, if you're using it frequently, just avoid using it with other functions simultaneously. So in this case, finish brewing coffee before starting the frother to prevent system overload here or overheating. And also, if you're running multiple functions at the same time, this can cause like performance issues. Now, the last thing that you could do here is you want to inspect for any damages just in case you've done all of the things that I've said before. So check for any cracks, wear, or damage on the frother, whisk, or base here. And if any components are faulty, contact Keurig support or purchase a replacement or replacement parts for it. But yeah, if none of this actually work, it's the best thing that you could do here is just contact Keurig's customer support. Usually they could give you additional steps, what you could do, or even have you have an appointment with a technician, or even send you a replacement just in case you've newly bought this frother. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.